Ciao everybody, I'm Giada from Villa Lecco in Tuscany. I am a Be My Guest host for Trafalgar and I want to bring a piece of Tuscany into your homes. Today I want to cook with you, so please follow me in my kitchen. Today we're gonna cook together my very special chicken and Chianti wine. Here we have all the ingredients we need. Chicken, salt and pepper, clove of garlic and a skewer of fresh rosemary, just a little olive oil and red wine. We start the chicken into pieces. So now we put salt and pepper on raw meat. We pour a little olive oil in the bottom of a pan and we heat the clove of garlic and the skewer of rosemary on it. We massage the chicken and when we hear the olive oil singing, it's time to put the chicken in, just skin down. When you start smelling the good flavor of the chicken, it means it's almost time to turn it, not before. Don't be nervous, don't stay stirring around the whole time, you will need it. Time to turn the chicken, you switch off the flame, you wait a second, you let the chicken cool down, otherwise it sticks to the pan, and then you flip it. When it's brown like this, it means it's okay. You brown on the other side as well, same high flame. And now the magic happens. You open your bottle of wine and you pour it. You bring it to a boil. You reduce the flame, you cover and simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour until the sauce is thick and reduced. That's it, so easy, so good. I wish you could smell this chicken. If you're gonna make it home, please send me pictures because I wanna see how far my chicken flies. Hope to see you soon, guys. Buon appetito!
Buon appetito!